Hi everyone, Dallas Piana here. And here we are. It's Wednesday, hump day, right? 11 a.m. in Pacific time. And today I'm going to talk about how to make sales using an email list. So this is my new obsession, is like email. And I don't, although, in my master class, in my VIP class, we definitely set up an email system. We get people selling on email, but I don't talk about it enough with you guys here in the group. And so that's what I want to be doing for like the next couple of months. Just talk about the unbelievable way to generate sales using your email list. Okay, so that means you have to build it, you have to nurture it, and then you have to promote on it. Okay, so if you're just hopping on right now, hi, say hi below in the comments, and I can check my phone to see who is on, who's hopping on. I just need to turn that off and make sure the yeah, the audio is fine. Okay. Now, before I get started talking about email and what we need to do with our email, is I just want to remind you, if you're interested in getting into the Black Friday Buying Frenzy Bootcamp, that starts next week on Tuesday. It's a 6 weeks action-packed boot camp working with me to actually set up something to sell during Black Friday and have your emails ready to go, have your posts ready to go, have your sales pages ready to go so that you can actually sell your low-hanging fruit of your product suite. So I'm talking about things like ebooks and meditations, or maybe you sell, a course and you're going to drop it down and really sell it as a deal. People go for deals during Black Friday. So if you don't know how to do that, or you tried it last year and it fell flat and you just want someone to show you how to do it, that's what I'm offering. And I certainly will put the link later on today when I get off of here above in the description box so you can look at what that will look like. Okay, like what does the 6 weeks look like? So, but let's jump into email. Okay, so first of all, to be able to sell on email, okay, you need to have people on your email list. And what I mean by an email list is an autoresponder, right? An autoresponder is that you can send out one email to multiple people in a list, okay? So I don't have to copy and paste people's names over to my list of who's gonna, tag people. I don't need to do that. They're already on a list, and you can have thousands of people on one list, and you send out one email and it will hit their email provider. Now, we don't know where it's going to go. It could go into primary or promotions or spam, but that's for another day. We can talk about how to increase deliverability so that your emails get into their inboxes. Okay. But today I want to talk about building the list, because a lot of you aren't using an autoresponder, or you have very few people on that autoresponder. So I want to talk about how do we beef that up. So first of all, to build your autoresponder with people, or contents of people with their name and their email address, so that you can market to them and nurture them. All right, it's just another platform to sell to market to. Okay, that's what it's all about. But it's really great because you own your email list. Unlike the Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, you're renting space on these other social media platforms. But your email, you basically own because you're paying for it. Okay, you're paying for the service. Those are your people on your list. And from time to time, I recommend just downloading the names from your autoresponder into a spreadsheet so that you have names of people and their emails if anything happens. But let's back up. So you want to build your email list, and the best way to do it is with a lead magnet. A lead magnet, think of it, lead is someone that's interested in you. Magnet, you're pulling them towards you. Okay, so you're offering something for free, a free resource, something that they want, in exchange getting their contact information, because that's how you're going to deliver the free resource. Okay, so it could be anything. It could be a checklist, a worksheet, a guide, an ebook, meditations. I've seen swipe files. I've seen templates. Just think about what you have already gotten from free. Okay, so you have given your email, name and email over to someone in exchange for a lead magnet. Okay, so now you go on their list. All right, and then once somebody is on your list, you can then nurture them and market to them. Okay, so another way, if you don't have a lead magnet, is you can set up in the old fashioned, years ago, people just had newsletters. Get on my newsletter, which I send out, once a week. Once a week newsletters are not enough anymore. You need to be communicating with people on that email list more frequently. Okay, but you can do it that way as well. Just have a newsletter, put out information that your readers would love and can't wait to get a hold of. But let's say you use a lead magnet, right, to grow your list, and you want to be growing that list every single day. So that means you need to be generating leads or building your audience and putting out in front of them, would you like a copy of XYZ? Okay. You need to be building your audience every day, inviting people over into your space every single day so that you can offer your lead magnet to them and then get them on your list. Okay, so that's what you want to be doing. That's, something I do here every single day. Every single solitary day is build that email list. Now, don't be afraid, oh my God, 5 people unsubscribe today. That's fine. You can let people, if they need to leave and get off your list, you're not the person for them. Okay, so that's okay. People will stay on your list and be on your list that want the information from you. And that's who you want to be communicating with, is people who actually are interested in what you have to offer. Okay, so don't be afraid of having people unsubscribe. Now, you need to have a welcome email. You need to have an email that delivers the lead magnet. And then you need to have, emails that say, if you want to unsubscribe, this is how you do it. You also need emails saying how to create a relationship with the email provider, the person who's sending the email, so that those emails go into primary instead of going into spam or promotion or something else where people never see your emails. Okay, so you want to have a series of emails that go out right away, day after day after day, that start to warm the reader up to you. Okay, and what I do is I automatically put people into a 15 emails over 30 days, I think it is, of little trainings I give, providing information on how to use a Facebook group. Okay, so that's what I do. I'm warming people up to how I teach and provide useful information to them. So I would definitely do that, recommend that. Okay, and that's how I nurture them, right? I'm nurturing them with information. And then I supplement, as I build my email list, I then put out emails quite often throughout the week. You definitely are getting an email from me generally the night before I do a Facebook Live, the morning of. And then if I'm promoting, I'm doing a lot more emails. And in between promotions, I'm giving away good information. Okay? Or I'm telling stories about myself, sharing stories. I want people to get to know who is Dallas through email, okay? You got to look at it this way. About 20% of your people on your email list are going to open up your emails. It may not be the same 20% every time, but that's a way to reach people, to get in front of people, so people get to know you, all right? Facebook is less than 20% that people are seeing you. So you need to show up in all different ways to get eyeballs on you and your expertise and how you can help others. Okay. And email is just one more way to do that. Now, how can you sell there? You can upsell on email. What do I mean by upsell? So you could do an upsell, which means that if you send out a free resource to in exchange for their email, you can, when you're setting up your sales page, you can set up instead of a thank you page, the next page they see is, oh, don't go away, I have something for you. That is a congruent piece of a resource for them, but it costs money, like $7, $17, $47. So you could do an upsell that way. And then you can continue to upsell that product through email. That's one way to do it. Or from time to time, you will see I actually promote a product less than $50 in my email list, and people buy because they've been warmed up to me. So I promote from time to time. I promote chunky, small things into my email list. Okay, so maybe they didn't buy when I offered it to them when I first met them, but I may on the 20th email that goes out, maybe a promotion to that a product. Okay, and the product again is something less than $100 that I promote in my email. So it could be a ebook, a worksheet, a planner, a templates. I'm getting ready to sell welcome templates for emails, because people don't know how to write emails. A lot of people are frozen with emails. So you got to look at what is your audience, your ideal clients. What do they need from you? Okay, where are they stuck? What would they gladly pay for $7, $17, $27 to get information that will make their life easier or better? Okay, and that's what you can sell from time to time into your email list. And the same rules apply. Is 80-20. For every 8 emails, you can promote twice. Okay, or it's 1 to 4. Okay, that's how you do it. Now, you may be into a major promotion, like when I do a 5-day, launch of some kind, a conversion event. I go into major promotion, and therefore I'm promoting a much higher ticket offer through email. And that's when people sign up as well. Okay. And that's something where it's not a 20 to 80, but it is generally I'm promoting for 7 days in a row. Okay. But I use my list. I'm promoting to my list. I'm also promoting into my Facebook group and on my Facebook personal page. But if you're not promoting or selling, you're leaving money on the table. All right. There are people that want these things from you, resources from you, and they're gladly pay over $7, $17, $27, $49 to get something from you. Okay. So once you've got your signature program ready to go and you're selling it, then I would, part of your product suite, and if you were in my last fourth quarter class with me, master class with me, we talk about the product suite, different offers going out at different price points, entry, mid-level, high level, or that value ladder I showed you of Russell Brunson's, where you start with something for free and then you go very low, introduction to you. Once people buy low price from you and they like it, they're more likely to buy the next level up. And then once they like that next level, they're more likely to hand over much more money to you. Okay. So there is no reason why you cannot sell low entry cost, ticket priced products. Okay, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this boot camp, this Black Friday boot camp that I'm holding starting next week. So if you have old products, maybe something that you no longer even offer for free, or you don't sell them anymore, but at a discount, we're going to be selling discounted prices, taking advantage of the steal of the deal, Black Friday sale, the frenzy, right? And be part of it and get that all ready to go so we can participate in that and make some money, fast cash during Black Friday. And if that's something you want to participate in with us, I will put the link in the description box above. Okay, So that's all I have for today. We'll be talking more and more about email as we go forward, about subject lines, how to write an email, what should be in it. We'll be talking about signatures and PS lines and, the body of the email, segmenting, all kinds of stuff we will be talking about in the future weeks coming ahead. But definitely, if you don't have a system set up, highly recommend it. The other thing I love Aweber. I've been using it for 10 years. It is very intuitive and easy to set up, but there are lots there, and you got to find someone that works for your price point and something that works for you. So definitely get an autoresponder. Okay, let's just see if there's any questions. That's one thing I am not good about, and that is looking at the question. Hi, Perlette. Hi, Jasmine. You guys. I'm not good at connecting with people, through the Facebook Live. That's something I definitely need to work on. So I also, if you notice, I kind of switched my room around. I flipped it because it's getting cold now, and I have a big bookcase on the other side of this room. I had to switch it because I have a heat register that the bookcase was covering, so we had to move it all around. So that's why this used to be on the opposite side. It's now on this side, so things are flipped. Okay, so it's not you. I moved the room around. Okay, so Jasmine, I saw that you are definitely participating in Black Friday. Great, go for it. Get a lot of emails ready to go. Get your posts ready to go, and get it all scheduled. That's the best way to play in Black Friday. I'm focused on delivering the content right. Get it out there, right? That I'm not engaging with you, Perlette. So anyway, are you doing a Black Friday giveaway deal, Perlette? Let me know. And if you're catching the replay, let me know below if you're participating in Black Friday so we can look at what you're selling during the Black Friday frenzy, right? It is a frenzy. Crazy. It kind of starts on Monday and goes to the following Monday. All right? That's like when it happens. Okay, you guys. That's all I have for today. And again, I'll put those two links above, Aweber, and if you want to check out working with me during the boot camp for setting up a Black Friday steal of a deal. That's what's happening. I think I have 5 or 6 people in there. Okay. Bye, you guys.